Hey YNABers, Ben here. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and show you exactly how to add a checking account in YNAB. To add an account, click the Add Account button right here, and you'll be asked if you want to add a linked account or an unlinked account. This is where you choose whether you want to actually connect your account in YNAB to your account at your bank. I'll choose linked account first, just to show you that since there's a little bit more to it. Search for your financial institution. You can search by name, or you can actually search by the URL of the site that you use to log into your bank. And that can sometimes be a little bit more accurate, so I'd recommend trying that. Put in your credentials, click next, and it'll make that connection. This sometimes takes a minute or two depending on your bank, so just wait for it. Once it does connect, you'll see a list of all of your accounts at that particular bank. Choose the right account. Then you want to choose the account type. We have a few options here. In this case, we're adding a checking account, so I'll choose checking. And give it a nickname, whatever you like. I'll just call it checking. Click next, and you have the option to add another account here if you want to, or if you're done, just click done. And there we go, we've added our checking account. Now that's how to add a linked account, but I also want to show you how to add an unlinked account. So bear with me, we'll go back in time here and I'll do that for you too. To add an unlinked account, do the same thing. Click add account, but choose unlinked instead. And you have to put this information in yourself. So we'll choose checking, give it a nickname just like before. And then you want to put in your current account balance. And you do want to look this up at your bank, so go ahead and log in there and check it. And you want to put in today's cleared balance, not including any pending transactions. If you're done, just click done, and you'll see that account show up. Now remember, the money in our account will show up on the budget right at the top as to be budgeted. And that's all there is to it. Whether you choose to link your account or enter transactions yourself, it's a pretty simple process. Just be sure to get that starting balance right so you know you've got an accurate budget.